This is a test message from the Emergency Alert System originating from the State of Wisconsin Emergency Operations Center. If this had been an actual emergency, you would have been given official information, news, or instructions. This test is now concluded.
Yeah, you did some time, well, I did some.
A civil authority has issued required monthly test for the following counties or areas. Minnesota, at 10:42 p.m. on February 2nd, 2022, effective until 11:42 p.m. This is a coordinated test of the emergency alert system in cooperation with the local broadcasters. This is only a test. This test is from the Minnesota Bureau of Criminal Apprehension.